Here are the steps to perform ghusl. You won't believe what question I'm going to ask you next. Begin by saying, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Step 1. Wash your hands up to the wrist 3 times, making sure to rub between the fingers and the nails. Step 2. Make sure to clean your private parts thoroughly and remove any impurities. Use soap or any cleansing agent if necessary. Step 3. Now you have to clean your hand with soil or soap before starting the ghusl. Step 4. Perform wudu, ablution, like a prayer by washing your face 3 times, then washing your arms up to the elbows 3 times, wiping your head once, and washing your feet up to the ankles 3 times. Make sure to follow the proper order and do each step thoroughly. After completing the above steps, say, Ashhadu alla ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasulah. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah, who has no partners, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Step 5. The next step is to wash your head. Your head should be washed in such a way that you are very sure about every inch of your single hair that it is wet now. Step 6. After completing, wash your entire body from head to toe 3 times. Now, pour water over your entire body 3 times, starting with the right side and then the left, and make sure that water reaches every part of your body. Step 7. Finally, the last part is to clean your feet with fresh water again, and we are done. Make sure to bath in a place where no one can see you. Ghusl should be done with running water and not with salt water. Ghusl should be done as soon as possible. Let's ask the question. If a person forgets to wash a particular part of their body during ghusl, do they need to start over again? After performing ghusl, make sure to dry your body thoroughly and wear clean clothes. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment box. Thank you.